I've got basically 4 alternatives for you. And the first alternative is the Rumpl stuff sack. Now I've got a fleece with me today. That can go into the stuff sack. Do the clip up on the end. There's the first alternative for a pillow. It's not very comfortable. The material isn't great, and it just doesn't feel right underneath your head. The second alternative and that's a ready-made pillow, which is quite comfortable, but the downside of this is the weight factor. Obviously the stuff sack, you're going to have some clothes in your pack, so it's not an extra, but this here is going to be an extra. Even though it's more comfortable for your head, is an extra, and you can't really pack it down very small. It's reasonably light, but it's the bulk, because you can't pack it down. So that's the next alternative. There's loads of those pillows on the market. The third one is an inflatable pillow, and there's literally hundreds of these on the market. And there it is here. It's good. It's got a cloth there on that side, which helps, which most of them have. This is probably the Cedar Summit pillow here, is probably one of the better quality ones, but it still doesn't do it for me. It still doesn't have that feel of a proper pillow on your head, and it bounces around and I just find it very uncomfortable. You can adjust it with the air, but it just doesn't feel right for me. Now I've been through all those ones. Now I've come up with this one, the Rumpl pillow. So you can stuff this Rumpl pillow with whatever you want. I've got the fleece in here, but you can put more clothes in to make it harder, but the fleece makes it really nice to sleep on. Now it's 41 centimeters across that way and 28 centimeters across that way. This is 100% fleece on the front, and on the back here it's 100% Ripstop polyester, and it weighs 90 grams without my fleece. It's made from recycled materials. According to the label, it's got 6 plastic bottles in it, so if you're an environmentalist, that should make you feel a lot better. It's also water resistant, but not waterproof. But why would you want to get your pillow wet anyway? So when you take the fleece out, you finish up with that. You can either fold it up with all your other sleeping equipment, takes up hardly any room at all, and then it has its own stuff sack. That can go quickly in there. It's got a draw cord on it there. And there it is there, and it's a little stuff sack. Thermarest do have a similar pillow to this, a stuffable pillow, but it's a lot more expensive than this one, and this one seems to be quite good quality.